How to stabilize the video in InShot. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open InShot. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Video option beside Photo. Then select the video from your gallery. In all these options, you will find Speed. Simply scroll all these options to the left. After you scroll it, you'll find Speed option. Click on Speed and then click on Curve. From this, you can stabilize your video to your preference simply by dragging up or down, and this is how to stabilize the video in InShot. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.